Hey there, fellow DIYers and woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tools and equipment to take your projects to the next level. In today's video, we're diving into the world of circular saws and counting down the top 5 picks for 2023. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a passionate hobbyist, a reliable circular saw is an essential tool in your arsenal. From precise cuts to powerful performance, these circular saws have been handpicked based on their cutting-edge features and exceptional user reviews. Join us as we explore the unique capabilities and benefits of each saw, helping you make an informed decision for your woodworking needs. Links to all the featured products can be found in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things woodworking. Starting at number 5, the ONEVAN electric circular saw is a high-torque cutting machine designed for a wide range of materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and ceramic tiles. With its 180 mm blade diameter and 5,000 RPM no-load speed, this circular saw delivers fast and powerful cutting performance. One of the key features of this saw is its ability to cut 2x material at 45 degrees, thanks to its high torque motor and compact design. This makes it suitable for a variety of cutting applications. The saw is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering cordless convenience and flexibility. The ONEVAN electric circular saw is easy to use with its ergonomic design and comfortable grip. The circular saw's high torque motor and compact design make it a reliable cutting tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. At number 4, the NEWONE electric circular saw is a compact and powerful cutting tool suitable for various materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and ceramic tiles. Powered by a brushless motor, this circular saw provides efficient and precise cutting performance. One of the standout features of this saw is its double locking angle cutting mechanism, ensuring stability during operation. The ergonomic handle provides ease of use and reduces fatigue. The compact design and wireless operation make it a safer choice for different cutting applications. The NEWONE electric circular saw allows for tilt cutting with an adjustable chamfer angle from 0 degrees to 50 degrees, providing convenient and accurate angle adjustments. The brushless motor with an outer rotor enhances the machine's reliability and extends its service life, even in challenging environments. The NEWONE electric circular saw is a suitable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require a compact and reliable cutting tool. Its excellent cutting depth, comfortable operation, and enhanced motor design make it an efficient and durable option for various cutting tasks. At number 3, the Yofidra electric circular saw is a powerful and multifunctional cutting tool designed for woodworking and various materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, and ceramic tiles. With its 1000B brushless motor and 10,800 R/min no-load speed, this circular saw delivers impressive cutting performance. One of the notable features of this saw is its adjustable bevel cutting angle, ranging from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, allowing for precise multi-angle cutting. The solid metal guide plate ensures consistent cutting depth along the workpiece surface, while the semicircular protective cover keeps you safe from dust and wood chips. The circular saw can be connected to a vacuum cleaner for dust-free cutting, ensuring a clean work environment. The manual control switch and lock button provide added safety during operation. Weighing in at a manageable size and featuring a lightweight design, this circular saw allows for comfortable one-handed operation. The Yofidra electric circular saw is a reliable tool for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Its versatility, adjustable features, and brushless motor make it a suitable choice for those seeking a high-quality cutting tool that delivers efficient and precise results. At number 2, the Drillpro electric circular saw is a versatile and high-performance cutting machine suitable for a wide range of materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, and ceramic tiles. Powered by a brushless motor, this circular saw delivers efficient and precise cutting results. One of the key features of this saw is its adjustable bevel cutting angle, allowing for cutting angles ranging from 0 degrees to 50 degrees, providing excellent flexibility for multi-angle cutting. The solid metal guide plate ensures consistent cutting depth along the workpiece surface. The semicircular protective cover keeps you protected from dust and wood chips. The ergonomic design with a soft rubber handle ensures comfortable operation and better control, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The manual control switch and lock button enhance safety during operation. The heat dissipation design of the machine contributes to its longevity. The Drillpro electric circular saw is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering cordless convenience and flexibility. This makes it an excellent choice for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts who value portability and versatility in their cutting tools. At number 1, the ValueMax electric circular saw is a reliable and powerful cutting tool suitable for various materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, and ceramic tiles. With its 1,250 watt input power and 13,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed, this circular saw delivers efficient cutting performance. One of the standout features of this saw is its adjustable bevel cutting angle, ranging from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, allowing for versatile multi-angle cutting. The semicircular protective cover ensures your safety by minimizing dust and wood chip exposure. The manual control switch and lock button add an extra layer of safety during operation. Weighing only 3 kilograms, this circular saw is lightweight and designed for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue and enhancing usability. The package includes 2 saw blades, a wood cutting disc, a diamond cutting disc, spanners, carbon brushes, and a user manual, providing everything you need to get started. The ValueMax electric circular saw is a suitable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its robust construction, adjustable features, and lightweight design make it an efficient and user-friendly cutting tool. Whether you're working on a small home project or a larger job site, this circular saw is a reliable companion.